currently in Panama City and we booked a really nice Airbnb here, and a small little thing that I learned on this trip, you don't always have to book the whole apartment. We only booked a private room here, and the cool thing about this is that most of the time the other people from the apartment aren't even here, so we have the whole thing to ourselves. I mean, look at this view. There's just something I love about apartments and really high buildings. Also, there's a pool on the rooftop of this building, so we're gonna change quick and then go check that out. So after a really long night bus ride, we made it here to Bocas del Toro, and we're gonna be spending all of next week here on this island. So you might have noticed that this week's video is a little bit shorter, and that is because I'm actually working on a really special project this week. So I saw on Instagram that there's a contest running to make a music video, and we met this really cool Swedish couple, so we decided to film something together with them. If you want to see how that turned out, you can click right up there and go watch it. Until next week, where I can show you more of Bocas del Toro. Peace!